Hello and welcome back to Chopstick Maths. In this video, we shall be learning types of angles. Angles can be classified based on their measures. So the different types of angles are: first, zero angle. Angle whose measure is 0 degrees is called as a zero angle, and the two rays of this angle coincide with each other. Acute angle. Acute angle is an angle whose measure is between 0 and 90 degrees. Right angle. Right angle is an angle whose measure is exactly 90 degrees, and it is indicated by this corner of the square. So this corner of the square indicates that the angle is 90 degrees or measures 90 degrees. Obtuse angle. Angle whose measure is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees is called as an obtuse angle. Straight angle. Angle whose measure is exactly 180 degrees is called as a straight angle. Reflex angle. Angle whose measure is between 180 degrees and 360 degrees is called as a reflex angle. Complete angle. Angle whose measure is 360 degrees is called as a complete angle, and the final ray of this angle rotates through 360 degrees. That is, it makes one complete revolution and the two rays again coincide. Interior of an angle. Interior of an angle is the area between the two rays that form the angle. So you can see here, this is the angle and these are the two rays that are forming the angle. So this region, which is in between the two rays, is called as the interior, and it extends up to infinity. And this region, which is outside, is called as the exterior of the angle. Adjacent angles. Two angles that have a common vertex and a side but do not overlap on each other are called as adjacent angles. Now, if you see in this particular diagram, angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent angles because they have a common vertex O, they have a common arm OC, and if you see, they are not overlapping on each other. So, such angles, angle AOC and angle BOC, are called as adjacent angles. However, angle AOB and angle AOC are not adjacent, although they have a common vertex O and they have a common arm OA, but they are overlapping, hence they are not adjacent. So if you look at angle AOB and angle AOC, the two angles are clearly overlapping, though they have a common vertex and a common arm OA, but they are not adjacent because they are overlapping. Hence, we cannot call them as adjacent angles.